Hey guys, it's Ashley from Editor Reviews, and today we're unboxing a Little Touch of Magick. If you're not familiar with this subscription, I've unboxed this quite a number of times. I do love this one a lot. This is a very unique subscription in that everything in here is based around a short story that comes with this. It's $45.99 a month. There's always pieces of jewelry and just really beautiful, delicate items that I love. It also always has like a kind of fun, spiritual feeling to it, something like that, I guess is the words I would use. I don't know. So this, because I am always behind, busy mom life, this is the November box. I mean, this is the October. I was going to say September. No, girls, not the September box. This is the October box. It is November. Obviously, I'm going to get this up tonight. The full review, so you can see that as well if you're interested. I am also going to link to them as well. It's always beautiful though. Every box is just, oh, and there is a theme reveal inside. It is right on the top. All right, so we open it up and right on top is our story, and it always says read me first. I don't, I just open everything up and read the story after because we're doing an unboxing. So for October, it's underneath, and this box has like this smell, like this earthy, like musky smell. All right, so the underneath is our story. Ooh, there's a lot of words. Look at that, it's a long one. I bet it's gonna be spooky. I'm gonna have to read this in the daylight. Sorry, I'm just being honest. And then there's an epilogue. Wow. All right, that's the longest story we've received so far. The September box was all those letters. Do you remember that? It was fantastic. All right, so November theme reveal. Everyone knows the fairy tale, the story of a little girl in a red hood sent to visit her grandmother, the wolf who ate them, and the lumberjack who saved them. Lizette had been raised on the story to keep her and her siblings from venturing too far from home. One of the hazards that came with living in those same woods, in the very house that Red's grandmother lived in. Ooh, spooky. All right. Here are your Halloween goodies sent from Minnie. And then the back has all our items. We're not trying to peek. We might have to look at that then, but for right now, we're not going to. First up, ooh, this is so cute. I wish I had this. This is a bat, like a lace mask. A bat lace mask. Isn't that cool? Oh, I'm going to save this for next Halloween. It's not too late. It's just too early. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh, I love it. That's cute. That's so cute. All right. And what I really love is every item in this subscription is individually wrapped. And I always end up with a pile of like stuff on the floor that I don't clean up for like a month. Anyway, it's just the truth. All right. First, oh, it's another bat item. Oh, it's got a little knot. Oh, I got to leave that alone. If I try to unknot it here, I'll just make it worse. I make my husband unknot my jewelry. He loves it. He like loves to unknot my stuff. So I'm just going to show you. It's a tiny little delicate bat, and it has these really cool little embellishments, little circular embellishments on it. That's really pretty. I do not want it to tangle anymore, so I shall not touch it. All right. Another tiny little treasure. It's a keychain maybe. Let's guess. Is it a keychain? We're about to find out. It is, or a purse charm. You know the purse charms? So this one has a little circle and then a little cat. Where is my cat's in the room right now, but she's being very quiet. She must be up. Oh, so here's your little keychain thing doodle. Oh, that's interesting how that's made. But look, I'll show you guys the cat real quick. By the way, I have the light on because it is extremely gloomy and rainy outside. Look at that little cat. So there it is. Isn't that cool? I love little kids. Little kids. All right, here's something large. Is it a shawl? Is it? Oh, it is. Oh, I could have had this on Halloween here was very warm anyway, so. But, ooh, look at that. Do you see what it is? It's skulls. How cool is that? Oh, man. Oh, man, I love that. I will wear that every day of the week. I do not care. That's neat. All right, we got some incense. These are bewitching incense sticks. An enticing and bewitching scent to add some magic to your life. That's what I was smelling. It doesn't say the scent, but this has like a, I don't know, like a, almost like a creamy camini. Is that the scent, or is that like the company that makes it? I don't know. But it has a little witch on it. It's actually really cute. Fits the box very well. All right. Next we have Happy Halloween card. Oh, it's blank. You can use it and send it to somebody. Isn't it cute? How many, by the way, really quickly, how many of you guys watched Haunting of Hill House or Haunting of Hill House with the 5 kids? I watched that whole series in like a week, less than a week. I just was obsessed. And the 5th episode was just the most amazing, came together so well. This house reminds me of, everything reminds me of it now. And I hope they come out with a 2nd season, just maybe they'll do like a previous, what happened on, before that Crane family moved in. I don't know. If you're watching, let me know down below, because that show was just epic. I just loved it. I loved every moment of it. Nothing was done wrong. Oh, it was just perfect. Put back into the box. Okay, is this our last? No, there's another item. Okay. I'm sorry, I haven't been showing you inside the box. I know y'all get mad. Y'all get mad when I do that. All right. We have pumpkin spice latte brown sugar scrub. I love sugar scrubs. I use them like a lot on my feet. And then like my legs. Like I don't typically use them anywhere else. Maybe my arms sometimes, but not really anywhere else. But I would like to see. There we go. So here's the little container. Super cute. Oh, it smells like, oh my gosh. That is marvelous. That smells so good. Who makes this? I don't know. We're going to have to look at our card at the end and see. All right. Next up. Keep popping. All right. This is now officially our last item. I have to check because one time I did this whole unboxing. There's this giant shawl at the bottom. I didn't even see it. That's something I'd sell. All right. The final item here. What is this? Ooh, look at you, you little cutie. Is this cute? Cute, cutie, cute. You guys know I love cats because I have a cat. This is a little black cat wallet. I don't know what that is. So be there. But there she is. Isn't she cute? It's so cute. Let's open it up. And it has this fun like pink bright color there. So it has that like a trifold. You can put your cards over here. Some stuff in here. I usually put like pens because I never have money. Just kidding. It's only kind of a joke. All right, let's take a look at our card. I love it. $45.99 for all this stuff. All right, so the knit skull scarf is $45. There was black and as well as gray included, which is very cool. The black cat wallet is $28. The black cat keychain is $18. The origami bat necklace is $30. That came in silver or gold. Pumpkin spice brown sugar scrub is $8. Bewitching incense is $5, and the lace mask was $12. And the Halloween card was $4. So total, oh my gosh, can I add this all up in my head? No, check the blog if you want to see that. What do you think of this box? Let me know down below. I love this one. Also, let me know if you watched Haunting of Hill House. And if you haven't, you should check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.